Hold on, don't even think about scrolling. You're about to discover something that people are losing their minds over. Hit the link in the description. You'll thank me later, I promise. This product is going viral for a reason. The performance, incredibly smooth. The design, solid and modern. The usability, practically effortless. This is one of those rare things that actually lives up to the hype. What shocked me the most was how instantly it impressed me. I tried it expecting something decent, but it ended up being way more than that. If you want something powerful, simple, reliable, and genuinely worth your time, this is the one you should be looking at. Click the link, see it for yourself, and join everyone else who's already talking about it. Trust me, this one is absolutely worth it. Okay, listen up. You really don't want to miss this. Click the link in the description right now because Hold on, don't even think about scrolling. You're about to discover something that people are